when you don't find this seal, you have bought a fake one. Please find this seal. This is the seal that shows the company is called OneKey. Find this seal, and it is the seal that makes you assure that you are buying the right thing. So guys, if you know you have never seen how a crypto hardware wallet looks like, then it is here in this box. They have sent me, so OneKey has sent me a crypto wallet address so that I can show it to you here. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys, and you are going to be able to see how a crypto hardware wallet looks like. Now, the thing is that for those who don't know what crypto hardware wallets are, you know that a wallet is something that you keep your money on. So in crypto, we also have wallets. Now we have what you call cold wallets. Those are like trust wallet, or those that are keep your money on the internet. But if you have some good amount of crypto and you want to put them offline, this is an example, but that is a story for another day. Let's today look at how it looks. So let's unbox the OneKey Classic Crypto Hardware Wallet, and this is the best part of it. So let's unbox it, and remember, as we unbox it, just know that when you order your OneKey Classic wallet, it will reach you wherever you are in any part of the world. If it can come to Africa and we unbox it here, then it can reach anywhere. So let's unbox this one with you guys, and this is how it is. Oh, this is the OneKey Crypto Classic Crypto Wallet. It comes with a very premium box. I feel the box is so premium, it makes it so luxurious, and it makes it worth it. So let's open it up here. Okay, now you open. Oh, it's supposed to be this side, and then we open it. Oh, messed it up. So okay, and then after that we also open the down part from this side. It's done perfectly, and then we see how to now remove this. We need to remove it down. Let's remove all these things, and then we remove our classic crypto wallet. So this is how it's looking. 1, 2, 3. Classic. So after this classic, see this premium OneKey, and then this looks so luxurious, and then that's what we have. I don't know, how do you read that word? And then this. Oh my god, hold your own key. If it is not your key, it's not your crypto. This is a crypto rule that you should always remember. Not your key, not your crypto. So this is, I like this. Oh my god, I like this. It feels so, it has reminded me of a very great crypto rule. And then we have this is so onekey.so/start. so this is a website that you can use it also to order all yours, or you can probably maybe check around the link in the description of this video to see how you can also order yours. And then we have what we have in this. Let's see. Oh, I have something. I have a scanner, start your web3 journey, and I think I have some free courses that I can actually take here, and I can scan this to start them. And then I have some new import hardware recovery phrase. The recovery phrase, I think this is a manual. Africans don't like reading manual, but this is a manual. And then what's this? This is just a design. I think I can pick this and put them on my, these are stickers I can put on my laptop, and yeah, I think this is great. I've loved them. So this is the thing. This is what the thing. You see how it is looking. It is a very slim crypto hardware wallet. This is so nice, guys. It feels so professional and so light, and it comes with the USB for charging it. Oh my god, yeah. Then on this side, this is what we have. Let's see what we have. On this side, we have what we call the recovery sheet. Now this is where I'll write my secret phrase to begin with. So this is something that I don't really want to open on a video, but why not? Let me open it and we see how the sheet is looking like. So oh, it's like it's not even one. Let's remove all of them first. So this is the recovery sheet. When I'm setting my crypto wallet, you guys know the 12 words that come with So I'm given up to 24 hours that I can share. This is to protect, this is confidential. I think this is confidential for security reasons, to protect my wallet. And they have given me not one, not two, but 3 of them that I can use. Oh, OneKey, I really love you guys for this one here is a plus. This one here is a plus to us. So this is a classic wallet that feels so premium, so premium. So crypto guys, my crypto guys, I think you can see how the box, now the rest is just a box. This is how it is designed. Really, it looks so nice for the box. And yeah, I think you should now look close here because it is important. Look at this. What do we have? This is the wallet. Now I want to remove this pill so that you finally see closely how the wallet is looking. So this is the key wallet. Oh my god, it feels so hard to remove, but I'm going to remove you. I don't want to really tear you. I want to remove you gently. This side is okay. Feel it. Seal. When you don't find this seal, you have bought a fake one. Please find this seal. This is the seal that shows the company is called OneKey. Find this seal, and it is the seal that makes you assure that you are buying the right thing. So this is how you remove, and that is the seal of your hand. That is the seal that shows it is original, untampered with. Buy something that is untampered with. Check the link in the description below. You can order yours, or you can even talk to me directly to help you out. My number is already there. See this, guys. See this. See this. See this. How to use it will be in another video for those who don't know, but I'm sure everyone knows how to use a crypto wallet, and this is a hardware crypto wallet from OneKey, and this is their classic. Oh my god, feels, only the feeling of it feels so premium. Guys, what do you think about it? How is it? And I love it. Small screen, and this is the start button that you can start with, and that's how it starts. The rest, guys, I don't want to show you. I'll show you in the next video when I'm teaching you how to get it started. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button for all crypto updates, tips and tricks, and how to make money on the internet with these things. Thank you.